How to swap headphones left and right on Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be talking about how to swap headphones left and right on your Android phone. So first thing, just head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, just search in for sounds and vibration and just tap on this. And once you're inside here, just make sure your device in which you are currently playing audio supports the Dolby Atmos, and just tap on this sound quality and effects option over here and just click on this equalizer, and you may readjust this all of this position just like this. And based on this, when you try to listen to any music on your headphone, you can easily adjust it accordingly to simply listen it to leftwards more or to rightwards more or less, just like that. So you can also choose between this normal and classic and other equalizer option. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.